In this video, tatalakayin natin ang prime and composite numbers, Part 2. A prime number is a whole number with exactly two factors or divisors, 1 and itself. May dalawang factors lamang ang prime number. Samantalang ang composite number is a whole number with more than two factors or divisors. Mahigit sa dalawang factors ang composite number. How to test for prime or composite? Paano madaling malaman kung ang isang number ay prime or composite? Kung kabisado mo yung multiplication table, basic multiplication table, makakatulong ito. Ngunit meron pang isa pang paraan. Yung tinatawag na Divisibility Rules. Ito yung paraan para matukoy mo kung ang isang number ay divisible ba ng isa pang number. Isa-isahin natin. Even numbers are divisible by 2. Ang numero o bilang na nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, at 8 ay even number. Example, 134. Equal ito sa 1 times 134. Ang 134 ay nagtatapos sa 4, even number. So may factor ito o may divisor ito na 2. Kaya ang 134 ay composite number. Next, divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is exactly divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 ang isang number kapag ang sum ng mga digit ay eksaktong divisible by 3. Example, 131. Equal ito sa 1 times 131. Tingnan naman natin yung last digit, 1. Not even. So, ang 131 ay not divisible by 2. I-add natin yung digits. 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 5. Not divisible by 3. So, ang 131 ay not divisible by 3. Next rule. Divisible by 5 if the number ends in 0 or 5. Ang number ay divisible by 5 kapag ang numero ay nagtatapos sa 0 o 5. Example, balikan natin yung 131. 1 times 131. Not even at not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 3. Tingnan natin kung divisible by 5. 131 ends in 1. So, not divisible by 5. Next, for divisibility by 7, do the following steps. Step 1. Multiply the last digit by 2. Balikan natin yung 131. 131, ang last digit niya ay 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. Step 2. Subtract the first answer from the rest of the digits. Nagamit na natin yung 1 at 1 times 2 is 2. Ano yung rest ng digits yung natitira? 13. Gagawin natin, 13 minus 2 equals 11. Ang 11 ay not divisible by 7. Kaya ang 131 ay not divisible by 7. Next rule. Divisible by 9. If the sum of all digits of the number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 kapag ang sum ng lahat ng digits ay divisible by 9. Example. Parehong number, 131. I-add natin yung digits, 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 5. 5 is not divisible by 9, kaya ang 131 ay not divisible by 9. Next, for divisibility by 11, do the following steps. Step 1. Add the digits in the odd place. Tingnan natin yung 131. Ang odd place ay yung first, third. Kaya pag inad natin yun, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Step 2. Add the digits in the even place. Ang natitirang digit ay 3. Step 3. Subtract the second sum from the first. If the answer is 0 or divisible by 11, the number is divisible by 11. Tingnan natin. 131, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Natitirang digit, 3. So 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. Not divisible by 11. Kaya ang 131 ay not divisible by 11. Next, for divisibility by 13, do the following steps. Step 1. Multiply the digit on the ones place by 4. Tingnan natin yung 131. Ones. 1 yung digit. 1 times 4 equals 4. Step 2. Add the product in step 1 to the rest. If the answer is 0 or divisible by 13, the number is divisible by 13. Tingnan natin. 131. So meron tayong 1 times 4 equals 4. The rest of the digit, 4 plus 13 equals 17. 17 is not divisible by 13, kaya ang 131 ay hindi divisible by 13. So tingnan natin yung 131. Ito ay equal sa 1 times 31. Not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 9. Not divisible by 11. Not divisible by 13. Kaya ito ay prime number. Subukan pa kung ito ay divisible by 17 o kaya 19 para masiguro kung prime number nga ito. Let's have a practice. Identify the prime number and the composite number. Use the divisibility rules. Pwede mong i-pause ang video para masagutan. Let's start. Let's answer. Number 1, 151. Equal ito sa 1 times 151. Alamin natin kung divisible ng iba pang numbers. Odd number ito, ending in 1, kaya not divisible by 2. Add natin yung digits, 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. So, hindi divisible by 3 ang 151. Ends in 1, hindi 0, hindi 5, so not divisible by 5. Yung last digit, 1 times 2 equals 2. So 15 minus 2 equals 13, not divisible by 7. Add natin yung digits, 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 7, not divisible by 9. Next, add natin yung odd place. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Kaya 2 minus 5 equals negative 3. Not divisible by 11. Next, last digit, 1 times 4 equals 4. I-add yung rest ng digits. 4 plus 15 equals 19. Not divisible by 13. Kaya ang 151 ay prime number. Next, 189. Equal ito sa 1 times 189. Ito ay odd number, kaya not divisible by 2. Add natin ang digits. 1 plus 8 plus 9 equals 18. Ang 18 ay divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. Kaya ang 189 ay composite number. Last number, 227. Equal ito sa 1 times 227. Add number, kaya not divisible by 2. Add natin yung digits, 2 plus 2 plus 7 equals 11. Not divisible by 3. Nagtatapos ito sa 7, hindi 0, hindi 5, kaya not divisible by 5. Multiply natin sa dalawa yung last digit, so 7 times 2 equals 14. 22 yung natitirang digits, 22 minus 14 equals 8. Ang 8 ay not divisible by 7. Sunod, add natin yung rest ng yung digits. 2 plus 2 plus 7 equals 11. So, ang 11 ay not divisible by 9. Next, add natin yung first at saka third. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Not divisible by 11. At ang huli, multiply natin ang 7 sa 4. 7 times 4, 28. 28, i-add natin dun sa natitirang digits, 22. 28 plus 22 equals 50. Not divisible by 13. Kaya ang 227 ay prime number. Anong dapat tandaan? Maaring gamitin ang divisibility rules para malaman kung isang number ay prime or composite. Kung okay sa iyo ang mga lesson videos tulad nito, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na videos.